This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. AP pseudocode variables, AP reference sheet. AP reference sheet shows how variable assignment questions will be represented on the exam. Read through this section of the reference sheet, answer the question below. All right, I want to highlight something here, guys. Now, instructions, text, A, arrow instruction, block, A, arrow instruction. Evaluate the expression, then assign a copy of the result to the variable. Okay? So that's what that is saying. So whatever's on this side, it's like an equal sign that we're using now. Text, display, expression, block, display, expression. Okay? Displays the value of the expression, input is so, and math. All right. What would be displayed after this code segment? Keep this in mind. We're talking about this. Your numbers might or probably are different. So we're just going through this, but you want to be thinking about why this occurs. My points 2. My points 5. Okay, well, what's my points equal to here? It's equal to 2 after this runs, right? Now, does this say my points equals my points plus 5? It does not. All it has is my points 5. So my points is equal to 2 here. Great. And then that is wiped out because now my points is equal to 5. 2's gone. My points' new value is 5. All right, now this is going to be the counter pattern. My points is now equal to, oh, well, we got to figure this out. We got to evaluate it. Whatever my points used to be equal to, plus 1. Well, what was my points equal to? Well, it's equal to 5. So, my points is equal to 2. Boom. Uh-oh, nope, just kidding. My points is equal to 5. Now, oh yeah, we got to figure this out. My points, well, what's my points equal to right now? 5. So 5 plus 1 is, boom, 6. And then we display what? My points. Okay, well, I think that's 6. Onward.